Because of the way AutoCAD Electrical works with an AutoCAD Electrical project, there are different ways of numbering wires in your AutoCAD Electrical drawings. Now, we've already got some wires here that we've placed, the red ones. I've deliberately set them to that wire type so that they're red and they stand out in the drawing. And what we're going to look at is the different types of wire numbering. We're not actually going to number yet. So we're still in the Demo 10 project because we're in section 10 of the course. And we've still got drawing demo 02.dwg open. Now, the different types of wire numbering are on the schematic tab on the ribbon, in the insert wires wire numbers panel, and they're here. Click on this flyout here, and you've got 3 different types. You've got wire numbers. So if I click on wire numbers, I can start wire tagging in sheet 002, which is the actual sheet number for this drawing here, demo 02. Now, I can actually tag new and unnumbered only, or I can tag retag all. I can do my cross-reference signals. I can freshen the database. In the wire tag mode, I can make it sequential or use the line reference. I've got a format override where I can override the numbering. I can also use the wire layer format overrides from my wire types, for example. Or I can just insert as a fixed wire number. Now, the nice thing is I can wire tag project-wide, or drawing wide, or I can pick individual wires. Now, I'm not going to go into any numbering here, but that's your individual wire numbering tool. I'm going to click on cancel there now. Now, if we go back to the wire numbers pull down here and click on 3-phase, which we do have in this drawing, if I just drag this dialog box across a little bit, you can see that I can apply a prefix, then a base number, then a suffix number. So you'll notice there, look, wire numbers 1L1, 1L2, 1L3. So you can see there, look, base 1, then the suffix starts at L1, and we then increment. Or I can hold that. So I can have a prefix, a base, and a suffix for 3-phase wire numbering. So you can see here, I've got a 3-phase there. If I put a prefix in there of, say, P, and just tab on the keyboard, can you see the wire numbers update? So there's the prefix. The base is 1, so that's P1. And that's being held. So the P1 is consistent all the way down the list. And then the suffix is L1 with an increment. So that's L1, L2, L3. So that's how your 3-phase wire numbering works. And again, I'm not going to do that yet. We're going to look at that in a minute when we start numbering. So I'll cancel that too. If I go again and click here, if I've got any PLC modules anywhere in the drawing for input and output, you can see there that if I click on it, I can set the input-output wire numbers. So these are predefined. So I for input, O for output, and you can see it gives you an example. And there's the wire tag format there. So you can see that it numbers to those wire tag numbers. And you've just got to make sure that that's all set up when you place your PLCs in the drawing. And again, I'm going to cancel that. There aren't actually any PLCs in this drawing to actually number. But you can see how you can set that up in AutoCAD quickly, effectively, and ready to be used. So I'll cancel that as well. So you can see there's lots of different ways there of numbering your wires with different wire numbering types in your AutoCAD electrical drawings.